Hi. In this video, we're going to be looking at a SnapAddy use case, specifically saving contact signatures from emails directly to SAP Sales Cloud. But first of all, we have to understand why this is such a key feature. Your employees receive dozens of emails every day containing vital information concerning contacts, accounts, leads, and you would think that this is a great source for information to update your CRM. But sadly, due to daily tasks and sometimes time management, copying and pasting all this information to your CRM is not possible. According to a study on how bad information ends up in your CRM, a study conducted with 1,400 people in different companies in 8 different countries, in different industries, the 2 main reasons are outdated information and, of course, incomplete or missing data. There must be an easier way or a solution to solve this problem, and there is. It's called SnapAddy Data Quality. And we're going to be looking at how to connect SnapAddy Data Quality to your email inbox. To be able to use this function, we first need to connect our email inbox to the SnapAddy Data Quality solution. We can do this in our profile settings under Email Contact Suggestions, and here we have the option to either connect to Office 365 or to our inbox via IMAP. Once we've done that successfully, we will be able to see that we're getting contact suggestions from emails. We can see here I've got 2 contact suggestions from 2 emails that I received, one from John Doe and another one from Adam Jones. We can see that John Doe is not yet a contact in our SAP CRM. We can see the duplicate check ran, and the account also does not yet exist in our CRM. All the information was scanned from the email signature and placed in the data quality solution, so a very quick step would be to simply go down here and say save and open in SAP Sales Cloud. And we can see that John Doe has now been created as a contact and automatically connected to the account, which was also created. In comparison, the email contact suggestion we received regarding Adam Jones, some of the information has actually been updated or changed. The values on the left here we had already in SAP, and we can see that via his email signature that he's no longer an intern, but he's the head of R&D, and they have obviously moved location to Los Angeles from Patient Town. So it's already showing me what information needs to be updated. So simply again, click on Save and Open. And once again, we're taken to the contact page, and we can see now that the job title has been updated as well as the address. So as you can see, updating your CRM with data quality has never been easier. According to a survey, 29% of respondents believe you can significantly increase revenue by improving data quality. So if you're interested, please sign up for our 2-week free trial with SnapAddy Data Quality.